Hello friends, welcome to Sudeshna's Paradise. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare my pot before new plantation. So today in my terrace I emptied this pot and see so much weeds have grown. So this has become a root bowl type. So this plants will go. I'll remove this all and scrap the soil from the roots. Otherwise, it's getting very difficult to remove the soil. So I finished my work, and all the roots in soil have been removed from the roots. And here I'm going to put the roots inside this pot and see the two holes. Now these two holes should be covered so that soil, while watering the plant, soil doesn't wash away. So I'm covering with broken tile piece. I use stones or I use cloth also to filter the water out, otherwise all soil will run away. So now I'm going to pour this soil inside the pot. I'm pouring the soil inside the pot. These are the weed which I removed from this pot, and see how thick it has become, and it has used all the organic fertilizer. I mostly use kitchen waste in my pot, but it has used everything. And the roots also I am putting inside because it contains lot of nutrition which it has gathered from my kitchen waste. See, I'm putting the roots also. I'm not wasting the roots. Now in this soil I'm going to mix the kitchen waste. See, these are the peels, vegetable peels, and this will get decomposed and form a good nutrition for the plant. So I'm going to just press it so that it settles inside, and my rest of my soil gets fitted in the pot. I'm going to just press it inside. Now rest of the soil I will fill this pot with, and so now my pot is ready for new plantation. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe, and do comment how you liked it, and